read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Respected teachers, how are you? Me, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. What are the expected learning outcomes of number 6? Student is expected to count, identify, and write the number in words. So, first of all, we will visualize different things that are present in the class. Like you could count chairs, 6 chairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chairs. 6 tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could call 6 boys to count them, to show them to the students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boys. After that, we will teach the formation of number 6. Start from the dot, go down, round and stop. It will make number 6. Then number 6 in words. S, I, X, 6. S, I, X, 6. After that riddle, what number am I? You have to show dice to them and ask the standard number in the dice. Okay? After that, you could ask different question, show or display different kind of material and call individually to the students to count the things. After that, they will visualize this story and you will ask the question, how many horses are there? There are 6 horses. I hope so you understood easily. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.